Hey everyone, welcome back. Austin here. I'm in our Cook Your Catch kitchen at the Alaska Fish House, and today I'm going to show you a black cod preparation. This has been marinating for 4 days now. It's a miso marinated black cod, miso, sugar, a little bit of sake, and mirin. Just 4 simple ingredients. Marinade turns out like a paste. You rub it all over the fish, and the fish sits for 4 days, and it's ready to go. First thing we're going to do before we get this in the pan is get our fillet, and we're just going to take off any of the excess marinade. You can see there's the almost paste-like marinade on it, so we're going to remove that before it goes into the pan. So I have my saute pan on medium to medium high heat. This is a non-stick. It's going to help because right when we put this on, all that sugar is going to caramelize, so that will help it release from the pan. First thing we're going to do is just a little bit of butter in the pan. And our black cod is going to go directly in. We're going to cook this all in the pan. It doesn't need to go in the oven. It's probably going to take between 4.5 minutes aside. So it's been about 3.5 minutes or so, and you can see the fish is starting to separate right there, and that's telling me that that side is pretty much done cooking. And you can see we have a beautiful golden brown, and what that is all that caramelization of the sugar that's in the marinade, the miso paste. So you notice that I didn't season the fish before it went into the pan because that miso contains so much salt that you really don't need any. If you feel that you're eating it and you do want more salt, you can simply add some. So you can see that we've achieved a nice caramel color. Almost looks burnt, but that's just a deep amount of flavor. It's really nice. On all sides of the fish, and we're gonna take this directly to the plate and enjoy it in its simplicity. Black cod is such an incredible fish, and if you're fishing with us for multiple days and you catch one of these on your first day, we will get it in a marinade for you, and you can celebrate this on your last day of fishing. It's something so simple with the miso, such a classic preparation, and we love enjoying it just the way it is. So to see more wild foods of Southeast Alaska, go to exclusivealaska.com.